I develop a passion for the field I'm in. My background started in a family environment. I was 15 years old, I ran the wheelbarrow, I hauled the shingles up on the roof. That evolved into a construction foreman, carpenter foreman, and that hands-on experience has allowed me to bring a uniqueness that we offer to you, the client. My vision while developing Jorgensen Osmond has been derived from working with my father, building my design capabilities over time, and now we're 45 years later, able to bring product to you that you would be proud of, and that I too can sit behind and say, yes, we've done this together. I'm satisfied that I've met your goals and my vision has been met, and with that I hope your vision as well. We're performing many diversified projects, from a custom residential to a small commercial building to an office, retail, office apartment, exterior facades. The simple philosophy that I offer is I bring an honest relationship to the table. If I can't do something for you or we're not communicating correctly, then it's best to move on and let you find someone else. But from the onset, my honesty, I'll relate my services, I'll relate my ideas, and then over that course of conversation, you're telling me what your lifestyle is made up of, and from that point, I in turn can build on a foundation that is our relationship together. From there, we'll work through a preliminary design and build on that design to a point where we end up with construction documents that are ready for the most scrupulous municipality. But more so, with the building code as it is today, it's become very complicated, and it's becoming more intense with the 30-year goal to become a net zero energy consuming home. So that is what we'll provide for you overall. And any particular items that you feel you need in addition to that, we're here to provide that extra service.
My wife and I decided that we wanted to return to Canada, build a home where our cabin is currently, which is Sprout Lake. And so we went online and we started doing some searching, and Peter's name came up, and we decided one day we'd take a trip down to Parksville, and we walked in here and knocked on the door, and Peter came out and warmly greeted us, and we had our first meeting, and that was the beginning of the relationship. And we found him obviously a very competent individual, but also warm. We liked his ideas, and so we're very happy that he's part of the team.
Every site is unique upon itself, and it's my goal to recognize what that site has to offer. Many people can put a box together and put a kitchen in a corner and this and that, but to relate it to the client's wishes, to the site's orientation, to have areas that one can recreate in outdoors, have warmth, have the sun. Those are things that makes the difference or breaks out those that can develop a design that's complementary to a person's lifestyle versus someone that puts a postage stamp on the roadway and says, here, move in.
All the way through the project, Peter has shown his expertise. This is a challenging project because we are building a large home on a sloped lake lot. The house is a mono-pitch design with a very large front wall to take advantage of lake views. So we're actually having to dig into the property. We had to accommodate the design we wanted to fit on that property. We love deck space because we look at the lake, and so Peter had to design a larger than average deck to accommodate our desires. And all of this hangs over a ledge, basically, looking at the lake. So I think there were some challenges in there from an engineering perspective that Peter definitely had to deal with. But he's never stumbled in any of that process, and we're very pleased with the final outcome.
Without a passion, there's not as much of a reason to do what I do. I mean, without a passion, why would I get up in the morning? The passion is a driving force. The end result is seeing a happy client or clients. A surround that I come to work to play in, to do the home design, is a friendly environment. It's an environment we've created. We actually have a environmentally friendly building, which is just part and parcel of all those components that I strive to provide, to work in, and again, the passion is what keeps me here for what I do. I'm in love with my job.